Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix the Google Chrome error ERR underscore two underscore many underscore redirects. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to clear your browser cache and cookies. How we can do that, navigate to your Google Chrome, make a right click, then select for Open to Under. So first expand it and navigate to your upper right side. You can see there are three dots. Please find for settings at the bottom, which has this gear icon. Select on that. And then here at the left pane, you can find their privacy and security. Please select that and select for delete browsing data under privacy and security section. So this would appear. Please mark all of this checked and then click for delete data. In that way, you'll be able to clear your browser cache and cookies. Okay? Once you're good, try to check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then I want you to proceed to the next solution, that is to disable the browser extensions. Open your Chrome settings again. This time, find for extensions and try to disable extensions here temporarily because some extensions can interfere with redirects. So try disabling them one by one to see if the error disappears. Okay? However, if the error still persists, then we need to proceed to the next solution, that is to update your browser. How we can do that? Bring up the settings again. Then please proceed to About Chrome next to Extensions, and this will automatically check for updates. So it's now checking for updates, and it marked here in my case Chrome is up to date. In your case, if not, then it will automatically update your Chrome. Wait until it would be done. Once done, relaunch your Google Chrome. So click for relaunch here. A relaunch button would appear. Click for relaunch. In that way, you'd be able to reopen it. Try to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then I want you to try a private browsing window. So please proceed here at the upper right side. There you can see three dots. There you can find new incognito window. So try to use a private or incognito window. In that way, you'd be able to fix the problem. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.